Ever since we had the bushfires in Australia a couple of years ago, I have been concerned about air quality, and I wanted to get an air purifier, but I didn't want anything big and ugly. So I was very excited when Sunbeam told me about their new compact on-the-go fresh air purifier. Look how tiny it is. So I love that it's, very aesthetic. I can pop it here next to my desk and it's really quiet. So there's an auto setting and it actually gives you a rating of the air quality. So blue is good, yellow is fair, and red is poor. So obviously the air quality is good in here because we've been using it. You can actually adjust the fan, and it's great for when you're traveling. So if you're going to, overseas where there's really bad air quality, you can have it in your hotel room. It fits easily in your suitcase. And it's also great when you're sick or the kids are sick. You can pop it next to the bed, and you know how when you're sick you wake up with a stuffy nose. This is great. It actually cleans the air and you wake up feeling much more fresh.
There's even a UV light that helps reduce bacteria, germs and mould.
Put the details below so you can check it out for yourself.